Tho, y thesa fi op ma the reiddiw chwi temic and hweddol dro the non-Hodgkin lymphoma ha chemosalmont. Ha mi a fin reiddiw chwi blas a ingith a chemosalmont in film ma. Residim daleth orth and daleth the weir mis gortherin mi rig heavy gil and mis and dolan no woddo der belwalloch warlinen in Kernoak. Mes and mis kins mi ros and message ma. Del wallochwi a thesovi o talith o dichtians chemo. Speak the hedna in ma hwath mer in dolan and mis ma. Hag orth dueth chemo salmont me a sonus and cloch in Headland units in Clav G Trillisk Osteria me the warfenna o salmont. Ring my bell, ring my bell. Nins you hedna dueth and whethel if there's a moy and no other ma o fesloan. Nebis seithinio kins nadelic, there's a no other ros them me the vos in remission. Tho me a spenus nadelic fesloan ganso mam kin thessa covid warnan ni agandeu. Was a nadelic res o them daletho o ober arta hagil taclo kernoak hag taclo eril. Bisagins a thessa nebis pines o tohuelas them. Hag a tho meeth and clavg hag a leveris them bos and canker de huelas. Ag a tho res o them re and no woddo ma der and mis arta. Well, henu all rag mis huevra hagin where henu all biz the than have and skila ew nevitha v o kill and mis arta biz than have dreffen boss and canker re the huelas them ha resi them cavos moya chemo salmont tho beavin leverel miraz ha duganes biz than pris na. Tho lemon a thesovi o kill chemo salmont arta nebis deference the weir hag meavin re the uqui neb blas and pith thesovi o kill in Irma the sawya o beonans the weir ag atoma and hweddel. So I've been re-diagnosed with lymphoma. It came back fairly quickly, more aggressive than was thought. So got to go back to having chemotherapy again. And Dr. Fowler is with me to give you a very quick rundown of what that chemotherapy will be.
Hi, good morning. So we're going to be starting our GDP chemotherapy, which is rituximab, gemcitabine, cisplatin and dexamethasone, which is a steroid. This will involve 3 cycles of treatment, and our hope will be that we'll be able to get Matthew to a stem cell transplant.
Hi there, I'm Michelle, Matthew's SAC nurse today, and I'll be looking after him throughout today when he's having his first treatment. Well, he has had this treatment before, but this is first RGDP treatment. So there's quite a few tablets and different drugs to talk about today. So it's quite a lot for Matthew to take on board. So he can ask me lots of questions anytime he likes, and we can go over things again, because like I said, it's a lot of information. But we're here to support him, and hopefully he'll, have a pleasant experience, and we can help him, make him feel relaxed and reassured.
Missing da. Missing, yeah, Thesn V o Cosca waren gweli dydd. Gweli Genev Cosca waren gweli dydd in Irma. And mitten ma, at skila rag cloch seni ena. Chwaer yn metyn yw ag heddiw yw dydd chemo. Yeah. Dydd chemo yw hag ffydd fi o spenna all yn jaith the glafchi trelisk ag cafos nesa cilch chemo. Mi fi'n ryddiw chwi an chweddol hani o môs. So cyns y tra yw res ddim the will Eva mir a ddawr Martesan tri fin to dawr a metin ma cyns y sgila heddiw yw bos cannula fitis ddym brech sgila rag yn cannula yw cymerys gŵls rag prefi ffalliw yn gŵls ag in wedd dres yn jith an cannula yw defnyddus the wara and deferens inof ag yma lies meddigneth the wara inof dres yn jith atho gwel yw cafos un tiller rag gorahedna in brech. So mir a ddawr yn cynsale hag in wedd meal eva te cefrys and you gwel as dawr drug you genef gwel you genef te. So cyns y tra golchi na rafi golchi y ddyragolchwi drug you genef. So golchians gres hag cyns y tra yw cymerys o felenigio so yma un belenig rag letia peth yw das warren's trink in Saesneg acid reflux. Ha tair phylenic mwy na fyna fi leferol peth enzi beth agins res yw ddim ag y hymerys pob dydd onan dew tri ag ythesa fi o cwisga hedma elewch wi gweles hedna ytho res yw ddim gweith an cartedno ma genna fi ol yn termyn ha mi in mes few carten Guarnian's sepsis. Ytho grisgys drol them codna. So pris Hansel yw lemon hag yma mam o cil Skype genna fi yn mitin ma rag Hansel ytho thesa fi o cortos he gallo nebman is yn lemon.
Hello, my darling.
Hello, good morning.
You sleep all right?
Yes, I'm filming this bit at the moment on my camera because I'm filming this bit on my camera at the moment because I'm doing a film today of my chemotherapy day, but it's in Cornish, all of this. I'm doing it for maybe the Celtic Film Festival, who knows. So can I just get you to say Mitin Da?
Mitin Da.
Mitin Da this. So, pris yw Gaza, Dibach, Orangi, ha mors than Clavgi, rag chemo, hag fifth Simon Burt, o Hymeres, ha Cymeres the Glavgi, and missing ma and the bon in the ra o Hameris ha dreathen tre arta in Gorthua. So, praise mons. Hag Thomas Simon, old Camaras, heddiw, o mors y glad i gael Simon. So, Thesel fi lemon in Hins, the Glav G Trellis, Thesel fi o Quisca Mask, Dreffen Bos Edom, Dreffen Bos Edom Vos Sallow, Hag Mivin Disquithers the Hui Olivia, Thomas Simon Burt, Borda,
What you on?
Ever War Clapian Evers Kembrick. Shadachi?
Iawn, joke. What's he?
Da iawn. So, Mira Kelsel, gennych wi ha mi dreheddes orth clav G Trelisk. Diolch i ti Simon.
Croeso.
Well, there's a fi Olma Lemon, resident Camaras Tapper Door car. Yes, Simon. Who well is? So, mi raid yr heddus orth yn claf G hag yn Kinsley, res yw ddim cafos clinic, hag yw res ddim cafos gŵls cymeris, hag previs, hag en yw war cannula in o brech, Paris, rag chemotherapy, oh, hag claf G o res, oh ma, oh. Hag, so, nesa tro ti ddim gwelys, yw ha mi o cafos gŵls cymeris o ddorth o brech. A lemon y monsi o Czechia o Holon ag gwasgaeth gŵls yn wedd.
Take the forms over the day before.
Ha lemon res yw ddim gwrthibi wrth lias gofyn rhag checio fatliw o breeze ha fatles o fi o cil so mira hebma pub termin mi ddyfos rhag clinic ag yn yr math es o fi o cymeris o Polster cymeris ag pigemes yw asol fi pools. So lemon y thesw fi yn feddygfa rhag gwelys an meddyg Dr Bryson Possinger ag efer y leferol fatal o fi yn yr yma mes na rafi ffilmi hedna tho ddywelys yn pols. So mi respenis term yn gans Dr Possinger hag efer rig checia pub tra drol ym corff hag leferol ddim an nywoddol drol yn pithws o chwarfos gans o dichtians. Hello.
Hiya.
Matthew Clark.
Okay, just check your date of birth, please.
26 April 1970.
That's lovely. Have a seat.
Okay, you're right. So, thesw fi lemon in Headland Unit. Mi residym gwrtos o ma biz impris hami o kill chemo. So, nesa tra in stefel na o kill chemo.
Morning.
Okay.
Hello.
All right.
How are you?
Oh, okay.
Let me just check your temperature.
Okay. So, mi re rig cafos tempreth checkers im Scovarn, ninzas Covid warnav, ha lemon, mors and tuna, rag chemo. Oh, da you gen of mors in Gornal.
Just sort yourself out there.
So, and dra you in Gornal, in a gol over Worth and Fenestry, hag, mil gosloas orphan radio in Gornal in Wales.
Yeah, the biggest thing. Okay.
So, Panrig Vila Veril Avara, Bos Canula Goris in Brech, Go o Dreffen Bos, and Glavgioris, the Gameris South Gouls Enna, Mes Lemon, Thesavi in Headland Unit, Ag Eman Glavgioris Obma, O Thesai the Wara Neb Canula, Brech Decho.
Okay, just going to clean your skin.
Mahi o Clanhe o Crochen. Tho pobl nagar mirrors off skitchens, Resi Dupi mirrors nebleara. Yep. Still are, I'm fine, yeah. So, Henu and Canula. Grez Grez Intalu. Lemming Lou, Aviscus, Brogothak and Tazo in Skull. Ailta Cananeves. Can you sing that some?
Can I say, wow, I can only remember the first bit. Go Brothag and Tazo. And then you did the rest of it for me, didn't you?
The splan. Plan. Do you know how to say thank you in Cornish?
I don't.
Miraz.
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 Well, Thesavi Lemon Paris Hagemonzi o Czechia and Mevegneth. So Resi the Czechia Puovi in Kinsale.
Okay, Matthew, can we have your full name, date of birth, first line of address, please?
Matthew Stewart Clark.
6 milligrams in 2 mils per vial. All expired 2023, and I've got 5 vials, which is 40 milligrams.
Midden the Vintertay.
Oh, Miraz, Marpleg. So what's this going in this?
So this is chlorphenamine, so it's a bit like an antihistamine.
I've still got some bourbons here, so
Right. Is that tea colour
Oh.
okay for you?
perfect.
Good. Okay.
All right.
Be back.
Okay, Miraz, thank you.
You're welcome.
Splan.
Splan. There's egg and cress, there's cheese and tomato, then turkey on brown. Yes, we'd like a banana and a yoghurt as well.
Can I have cake? I'd like cake.
No, we don't do a cake, sadly.
I've been told to have lots of cake.
Oh, right. What's your treatment regime? Are you here for? Just give you anti-sickness.
Indra, you raised him the wheel. You Ava Mir Azor. Gans Hepna. The Alavia wheel Gans Mask. So, Resident Ava Mirazor. A Waspos Neb Methigneth Henwis Manatol. Ora Ephathia and Duloneth. So resident Eva Hepna, mes ninju manatol mira levero menantol. Undra daldem gul, hamio kilhema eu mezira pigemes pes aravi tremena or passia. So resium easier hat. Menivero ena. So lemon. Rescue Miseria henna. Oh, Mira heavy bolts. Andrei Nevinovi Kelly Gaza and the camera the Gulva in Bizva. I rated them Moors in Bizva Gans and Jin de Vera in Weth. Ooh, so Hunter Hedna, you Lenwiz in Irma. Oh, yeah, on and learn. So Mirig Passia Ena in later Deu cans ha Hunter. So yeah, fest low enough Gans Hedna. So an early August ha Hunter was a pimp in Gorthua. Ag Pyrogus yw the Warfenna and Kima Salmont rag heddiw. Res yw ddedda Cymeras the Vez and Cannula, Kins me the Allo Smalls tray. Ag Coeth David Sharples o Cortos rag Readham Carrions Tro ha tray. Ima Conin, Mares and Fenister, Hameen Clargy. You keep a hag David Attenborough on me. Ne bod in a well sort in Weth.
Oh, that's all finished.
Termin ew, Chimeras, Mares and Cannula.
Take that one off.
Oh.
Yeah, pull a few of your arm hairs.
Neves Bleueno Tednes Ena. Yeah. Oh.
Sorry, I know.
Oh.
Sometimes it's the worst bit, sometimes people say.
Yeah.
Nearly done. That's it. Right, last little sticky bit. There we go. Right, I was going to ask you to hold on to the...
Oh.
It could be a bit awkward.
Hen you all rag and chemo heddiw ag athesafi old T-Barth and Headland unit the Glav G Trelisk. I thought lemon athesafi in hens tro ha tre the worth the Glav G Trelisk was a dydd pyr here a chemo hag a fifth chemo bear in 8th dydd o tos. Mes residum leverel Meraz than Glavgiores, pub Glavgiores, the Headland unit, Hagen Weth, Simon Berta Rig Rig O'Gora than Glavgi, Hagen Weth, Miraz, David Sharples, Raglia Tre.
Welcomes.
Pub welcomes.
Welcomes.
Yeah.
Welcomes.
Pure that. Ag pan rafi dreheddes o rangi me of in cavos nepith pyriskis the vibri hag enna malls in gweli. Well, the theso v tre lemon was chemo ag theso v o peruzzi kinyo Reese ha Kigia in sauce green gwyn and medical averus them bos in kilch chwath and tressa kilch hagena e ara mirrors orth and steve ha martesen was a hedna mos rag stem cell transplant pethu hedna in Cernach ag though thesni hwath o cortos nuovo draw the hedna mes bism prisna res au them poesa. Okay, miraz a holia o hweddle and chemo heddiw.